The iPhone 17 series is getting closer to launch, and for the very first time, we have a leaked video that shows what the iPhone 17 Pro Max actually looks like on a factory floor. Normally, leaks like this are common for Android phones, but Apple is usually very strict about keeping its design secret. That's why this new video shared by well-known leaker Ice Universe has caught everyone's attention. The short clip appears to show the iPhone 17 Pro Max in what is described as a mass production stage. This could mean it's a retail-ready model, but it's also possible that the device shown is just a late-stage prototype. Either way, it looks far more convincing than the usual dummy units we've seen in past leaks. Of course, there's always the chance that it could be a knockoff or fake. That's why it's important to take this with caution. Still, the video gives us one of the clearest looks so far at what Apple's top-tier iPhone for 2025 could look like. The footage confirms a few design changes that have been rumored for months. First, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature new horizontal camera island instead of the vertical layout Apple has used for years. The arrangement of the camera sensors looks familiar, but the LiDAR scanner, LED flash, and microphone have been shifted to the far end of the island. This gives the back of the phone a fresh appearance while keeping Apple's recognizable design style. The leaked video also shows what appear to be three color variants: black, gray, and white. The display itself was covered with a protective sheet, so we don't get to see the front in action or check for any changes in the bezels or dynamic island. This isn't the first time the iPhone 17 Pro has been spotted in the wild. Back in late July, someone saw an Apple employee testing the phone in San Francisco, which gave us an early hint at its new design. Alongside this video leak, another source from China leaker Setsuna Digital, also known as Instant Digital, has shared more details about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. According to him, these models will come with significant display improvements. One of the biggest upgrades is how the screen performs under direct sunlight. Usually, when a phone heats up in bright outdoor conditions, it lowers brightness to prevent overheating. This can make the display harder to see, but the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to have better efficiency and a dedicated cooling system. That means it can maintain high brightness levels for longer periods without dimming, making it easier to use outdoors. This same cooling technology is also expected to improve gaming performance. When phones get hot, they sometimes reduce frame rates to stay cool, leading to stuttering or lag. But Apple's new system should keep frame rates stable even during demanding gameplay sessions. That means smoother performance and a better experience for gamers. Video performance is also expected to get an upgrade. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will reportedly handle 4K at 60 frames per second much better, providing smoother results and improved quality compared to past models. Battery life is another major area of improvement. According to the leaks, Apple is increasing the battery capacity while also making the phones more power efficient. For reference, the iPhone 16 Pro Max came with a 4,685 mAh battery, but the new iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack a larger 5,000 mAh cell. The standard iPhone 17 Pro, on the other hand, is expected to keep the same 3,580 mAh battery as its predecessor. Combined with the efficiency improvements from the new chip and display technology, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could offer the best battery life we've ever seen on an iPhone. For users who prioritize long-lasting performance, this will be a major selling point. When you add everything together, the new horizontal camera design, the improved cooling system, brighter display under sunlight, smoother gaming and video recording, plus longer battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most exciting upgrades in years. Some fans remain skeptical, though. In polls about the upcoming phone, opinions are split. Many people are excited about the improved cooling and camera system, but a large number of users feel it's just another incremental update. This shows how high expectations have become for Apple's flagship devices. Whether or not the final product lives up to the hype, the leaks suggest that Apple is ready to take a meaningful step forward with the iPhone 17 Pro series. And if this really is a mass production unit we've seen on video, then the launch might be closer than we think. With new colors, a reworked camera island, stronger gaming performance, better video capabilities, and longer battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be Apple's most complete iPhone to date. Now, all that's left is to wait for the official announcement to see which of these rumors turn out to be true.